Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to look at one of my portulacaria afra lilliputs. I think I did a video on this one just a little over a month ago, maybe. Kind of giving it its first spring prune after I'd let it grow a little bit too long, but it's time to prune it again. You can see some of these shoots have gone out a couple inches, so I'm just going to try to stay on the pruning this time so it doesn't get out of control like it did before, and just keep the ramification really tight. So it's going to be a fairly quick video today, just a quick maintenance prune. Just take some of these shoots back. So you can see some of these back here got really long. If you can hear those birds back there, but they're a little rambunctious today. Put out a new feeder, and we've got these little finches that visit and kind of fight over the feeder a little bit. No, not looking too bad. It's kind of shaping back up. Yeah, that's got the look I'm shooting for there. Yeah, I think that'll just about do it. Like I said, a short video today, just a quick maintenance prune. So I'll give you a quick spin around. There's the front, there's the left side, there's the back, right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.